this is Michael Jones with MJ Reviews, and today we're reviewing this iKits 4-port AC power station. Well, as you can see right away, it is a little set up a little bit different than a lot of power supplies for USBs you'll see. For it is 4 ports that are right over here, rather than like a kind of a side model one like this, or the ones that have it on the side like this. It is actually facing out, and there's a little LED here to let you know what's going on sometimes. And each one can do 2.4 amps. Each one by itself can do 2.4 amps, but if you have them all plugged in, it will only be able to do about 1.1 amps per port. Over here, we'll say the exact output 5 volts at 4.4 amps. So if you're charging one device, it'll do 2.4 amps, which is basically the highest that a regular charger can do without using Qualcomm's technology of quick charge, doing 9 volts or 12 or 16. This is the highest that it can do at 5 volts, which is 2.4 amps. So first what you have is 2.4 amps. If you have 2 of them, it'll be 2.2 amps each one. And then after that, it'll be 3 divided by 4.4 amps, and you're going to have to just do the math yourself. If all of them are plugged in, it'll be 1.1 amps. So let's test it out. First, it comes with this power cable over here. We're going to open up. So here is a regular power cable. It goes to the power and to the 4-port charger. After plugging it in, you'll see that the light is lighting up. It is red, even though my phone is showing a little bit different of a color, kind of like orange. So one thing good, I don't hear it making any noise. A lot of times these power banks will make such a racket. I'll have like a or just drive me nuts. But this one doesn't. Okay. And now I'm charging my iPhone with it. It's charging at 76%, so looks like it's working fine. I mean, I'll just try the other port. So as far as I can tell, it's working fine. If you will like this type of setup that it's facing out like this, I mean, I actually have that on my power source over here, because I am using a power strip with USB sticking out. So if you're a fan of this, the way this looks, go for it. I mean, I'm using that myself, so this would be a good piece for you. It's very basic. If you're looking to charge a bunch of things at once and you didn't charge fast, this might not be the thing for you, as it only does 4 amps. If you're just looking to do your basic phone charging, and then once in a while to do your power bank or something like that, or your wife's phone or your spouse's phone or something, this might be a great piece for you. And once in a while to do charging headphones or charging Bluetooth devices or things like that, power banks. Then you leave it overnight, then it'll be like, a 2-hour charge sometimes if you have 3 things plugged in. But if you're looking to do a fast charge, you can just have one thing plugged in here. It'll work fine. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.